Are you tired of underpowered mini PCs? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Minisforum M1 Pro, a powerhouse that's changing the game. Therefore, I'm excited to share with you 3 compelling reasons why this tiny PC is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their computing experience. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. As someone who's been using mini PCs for years, I've grown accustomed to sacrificing performance for portability. However, the Minisforum M1 Pro defies these expectations with its impressive specs. Apple M1 Pro chip, 16 GB of RAM, and up to a 2 TB SSD. But what really caught my attention was its sleek design, which is perfect for small desks or even on-the-go use. Therefore, let's dive into the 3 reasons why you need to try this incredible mini PC /N. Reason 1. Unbeatable performance. The Minisforum M1 Pro boasts an Apple M1 Pro chip that delivers industry-leading performance in a tiny package. With 16 threads and a clock speed of up to 2.8 GHz, this mini PC can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or running multiple applications simultaneously, the Minisforum M1 Pro won't hold you back. But what really sets it apart is its remarkable power efficiency, allowing it to run for up to 10 hours on a single charge /N. Rehook. But here's the thing you might be thinking, is this mini PC really worth the investment? My answer, absolutely. And I'll tell you why in just a minute. Reason 2. Stunning display options. The Minisforum M1 Pro comes with a range of display options to suit your preferences, from 13-inch to 15.6-inch screens with resolutions up to 4K. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply want a beautifully crafted visual experience, this mini PC has got you covered. Therefore, let's talk about the display itself. What makes it so special /N. The display on the Minisforum M1 Pro is no ordinary screen. With its 4K resolution and 500 nit brightness, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience that rivals even the largest monitors. But don't just take my word for it. I've included some impressive visuals in this video to showcase the display's capabilities /N. Rehook. And speaking of visuals, have you ever wondered what makes a mini PC truly future-proof? Stay tuned, we'll get into that in just a minute. Reason 3. Futuristic design and features. The Minisforum M1 Pro boasts an ultra-modern design with sleek lines, a slim profile, and an aluminum chassis. But it's not just about looks. This mini PC also features Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C with Thunderbolt 3, making it future-proof for all your connectivity needs. Therefore, let's talk about some of the innovative features that set this mini PC apart /N. One of my favorite aspects is its impressive sound system, complete with dual speakers and a 3D surround sound experience. It's like having a dedicated home theater in the palm of your hand. And don't even get me started on the sleek keyboard that comes included. It's a game changer for anyone who spends hours typing away /N. Rehook. So what do you think? Is this mini PC worth the investment? I've got one more reason to share with you in just a minute. Why the Minisforum M1 Pro is worth the investment. I know what you're thinking, is this mini PC really worth the price? In my opinion, it's an absolute steal. With its unbeatable performance, stunning display options, and futuristic design, you'll get unparalleled value for your money. But here's the thing, with the Minisforum M1 Pro, you're not just buying a mini PC, you're investing in a future-proof solution that will stay relevant for years to come. Therefore, let's wrap up by highlighting some of the key specs and features one last time. Apple M1 Pro chip. 16 GB of RAM. Up to 2 TB SSD. Stunning display options, 13-inch to 15.6-inch. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C with Thunderbolt 3. Ultra-modern design. Call to action. If you're ready to experience the future of computing in a tiny package, click the link below for the best price on Amazon /N.